In the beautiful blue ocean, there lived a friendly turtle named Toby. Toby loved swimming through the coral reefs, playing with the colorful fish and gliding through the waves. The ocean was his home, and he cared for it very much. One sunny morning, while swimming near the shore, Toby noticed something strange. Pieces of plastic floated in the water. Seaweed was tangled with trash, and some fish struggled to swim because of it all. Toby felt sad. "This doesn't belong here," he thought. "If the ocean is dirty, how will my friends and I live happily?" Determined to help, Toby called on his ocean friends, a dolphin, an octopus, and a school of tiny fish. "We need to clean up the ocean," Toby said. "If we work together, we can make it beautiful again." His friends agreed, and they all swam together, picking up trash and moving it away from the coral reefs. The dolphin used her long nose to gather plastic bottles. The octopus grabbed tangled nets with his 8 arms, and the tiny fish carried small pieces of trash. Toby pushed a large bag with his strong flippers. As they worked, they found a little crab trapped inside a plastic ring. Toby rushed over and helped the crab get free. "Thank you, Toby," said the crab. "I was so scared. The trash is dangerous for us all." Toby smiled and replied, "That's why we need to keep the ocean clean, not just for us, but for every sea creature." After a long day of cleaning, the ocean was once again sparkling and clear. Toby and his friends rested on the sandy shore, watching the waves gently roll in. Just then, a group of children playing on the beach noticed the clean water and began swimming happily. "We did it," Toby said, feeling proud. "But we can't stop here. We must always take care of our ocean and remind others to do the same." The dolphin nodded. "Yes, and if everyone helps, the ocean will stay clean and safe for all of us." Toby and his friends realized that small actions can make a big difference. From that day on, they not only enjoyed their clean ocean, but they also taught others about the importance of keeping the sea clean and safe.